Okay, these are the Delon Premium Cosmetic Cotton Rounds, and in my opinion, these are the best on the market that I've tried. Mine are written in French here because I did get these in Quebec, and actually Delon is a Canadian brand. These are very absorbent, have multiple uses, and they are also cosmetically friendly, 100% pure cotton. And I like them because they don't fall apart. On one side, you've got a smoother texture. On the other side, it's kind of a textured. So this one's really good for calamine lotion, maybe nail polish remover, anything you want for a gentler surface. And on the other side, maybe you can use this more for makeup. And indeed, I usually get the bulk size, so 8 of these packages in one box. I've since ditched my box, but they last for well over a year because I only need 2 of these a day. I use it primarily for my makeup, but like I said, also for nail polish remover, which I might have to deal with shortly, and also calamine lotion. Yeah, primarily those 3 uses, but there are other things I'm sure you can think of using them for. So yeah, highly recommend these. I've been using them for years, and when I can't find them for whatever reason, I get a bit angry.